Every guy I've met, we fell in love at a bad time. Getting insecure, questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. Right now I need to take care of myself, comfort in myself like a...
Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. In today's video, I'll be cleaning and organizing this area here in our primary closet. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Now, 2 weeks ago, you saw me clean and organize most of the other spaces here in our primary closet. But today it's all about where I keep some of my shoes and some of my purses. Let's get started. As a reminder, if you have not already done so, press that subscribe button below for weekly organizational videos here on this channel. I have just started to remove some of the things from these shelves. Everything is now on the floor. All the shelves are now empty and they have been wiped down and ready to be repacked. I've just repacked the shelves and this is what they look like right now. This is what our primary closet looks like now. Everything's been cleaned and organized for spring 2023.
I just need myself, take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down, but I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to clean and organize a space in your home. I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.